Hello everyone, and welcome to the Gadget Flow channel. In today's review, we're excited to introduce the DJI Air 3S, a dual-camera drone designed to capture breathtaking landscapes, portraits, and more. As the latest flagship in DJI's mid-range Air series, the Air 3S builds on the success of its predecessor, the DJI Air 3, which launched in July 2023. The key highlight of the Air 3S is its dual-camera system. Unlike most drones that feature a single camera, the Air 3S boasts both a wide-angle and a medium telephoto camera, mounted on a 3-axis gimbal. This versatile setup allows for more creative flexibility, whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes or zooming in on specific details. The drone's 1-inch complementary metal oxide semiconductor primary camera and 70mm medium telephoto camera offer an impressive 14 stops of dynamic range. Both cameras support DJI's new free panorama feature, giving you expanded shooting options. While the Air 3S shares many similarities with the Air 3, including its design, specs, battery life, and pricing, it comes with a few key upgrades. These include a larger image sensor on one of its cameras and an enhanced omnidirectional object sensing system, which helps the drone avoid obstacles more effectively during flight. The DJI Air 3S is equipped with advanced pilot assistance systems, forward-facing LiDAR, a downward infrared time-of-flight sensor, and 6 vision sensors for safe and smooth flying. Its Active Track 360 technology ensures you capture the perfect shot by optimizing tracking and focusing on your subject with ease. Plus, with up to 45 minutes of flight time, you'll have plenty of opportunities to find the perfect location and set up your shot. Another major advantage is the 42 GB of built-in storage, meaning you can start recording instantly, no need to fumble around with micro SD cards. Now, for the downsides. While DJI promotes the Air 3S as ideal for travel and aerial photography, buyers should note that its takeoff weight places it in a category that requires more regulatory paperwork. This may involve extra administrative steps and legal requirements depending on where you fly. To wrap up, the DJI Air 3S offers superb camera performance, long battery life, and a safe, intuitive flying experience. It's an excellent choice for those who want high-quality aerial shots and are willing to deal with the extra regulatory considerations. If you're ready to handle a bit of paperwork, the DJI Air 3S is an outstanding mid-range drone that promises easy, safe flights and fantastic results. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.